Hi, welcome back. It's been a while since we met. It's June 24th. It's summer. Although we have some rain today, but the day is great. It's a nice day today. We had a lot of rain. Now it's a little bit cool. Now it's not cool, actually. It's a little bit warm. The sun is up. It's shining. There's the sun. There's the sun. Welcome back to our Weather Wednesday over at Honda City. I have a pickup truck here to show you. 2018 with just over 100,000 miles on it, but it's a very nice truck. I'm going to show you a little bit inside the vehicle. Some of the trucks you cannot find like this one. The inside you have a bench and the middle and the front driver's seat. So I'll show it to you. You are thinking about a truck, especially this summer for adventure. Thinking for some camping. Maybe you have a boat, just small boat. This is the right truck. You're going for boating this summer. I'll show you this is a nice truck. I'm going to go on the back for you and show it to you. But our weather today is not too bad. It's nice. It's not raining. Let's take a look inside. See, this truck you cannot find anywhere else the model of the year because of the bench. So you can sit in here. This is like a cup holder. All the space you have. We can take that away. So let's take a look here. So a lot of space. I can even fit here. Oh wow, look at that. I can fit here. That's plenty of room. So I'm looking at show you the back in it. Oh, look at the room. Look at all this room in here. I'm gonna put this as a lot of storage compartment for the vehicle. Lots of room, so you can fit maybe 5 passengers on this vehicle. This is practical with all the room. You can see here. Lots of room, lots of headroom on the vehicle. So this is a nice. For the year, the miles on the vehicle is very well taken care of. Look at the cleanness, it's clean. Nice truck. So in this area here, open this next truck. Nice. So this truck you have the bed and the liners for the interior, not the bed liner, but it's plenty. It's practical with the soft tonneau cover, so it's easy to move. You can fold it, so it's really practical for you. You got the trailer hitch. You can tow with the harness, like if you want to climb on top of here, so you can. Hey, I can see on top. Look at that. So this truck is a 2018. Got the trailer hitch. So you want to see on this truck, you come and see me over at Honda City. But this other truck, if you want like a half ton, we do have it's called the Witch Line. Show you a little bit how the vehicle is. It's a bit practical and different. Honda makes it's called the dual action tailgate. It's practical. So if you do outdoor stuff, you don't have to bring your cooler with you. It's like the diesel truck inside here. You can always use it. The other thing you have with this truck, it's the material is called steel composite. It's a fiberglass. You don't have to put the bed liner. You can put 1,100 pounds payload in the truck. Figure give you some difference between the truck. It's a good truck, right? So we're going to show what we have besides Honda. We have GMC, all makes and models. So long everyone. We hope you enjoyed the show. We'll see you next Wednesday.